The letter Y makes the sound Y. Push the sound out gently. Y, Y, Y. Yes, great! Let's read some Y words together. Y, am, yam. Y, app, yap. Y, et, yet. Y, s, yes. Y, ip, yip. Y, yum. Now read with me. Yam, yap, yet, yes, yip, yum. Now let's read 2 words together. Yap, yip. Yam, yum. Yes, yet. Excellent work! You are becoming confident readers.